Good morning. So my task this morning is to sort out this huge mess I've made for myself. Because we just reinstalled. We took it from over there and put it over there. So today I have to organize this because I want to go somewhere just for the weekend and I want to trial it because soon we're going to another Can-Am race, or whatever you call off-road racing, up north, and I want to be organized so that I can function really easy. Everything's organized and I'll have more like fun time instead of like frustration. So this is what it all looks like. So today I have another mess to sort out. Do you like my new little fixture I made? We've just got this kitchen cupboard in above the sink. It come from over there, so that's my stove top cupboard, and this will be my sink top cupboard. So what I got to do is fit my beauty care and somewhere like my kitchen function all in one area. So like kitchen, bathroom all in one area, and cooking. So what I've done is I bought some little storage containers to match the van. It's pink and green this time around, just to, oh my god, if I could turn this pink, I would be so happy. But anyway, got my pink mirror, just got to glue it down. So yeah, today I have to organize all my place where I make cup of teas, cook, forks and knives, like just the whole area to function. I had it organized, but then we put this cupboard in and now I got to begin again. So I've emptied out that cupboard, like, because that was all the coffee and tea and cups. So now they're all up there, but I think I want them over here now. So let me, oh my gosh, I don't know who else gets so, like, since I've had the new kitchen put in, organizing was really, really hard. I'm so used to just putting up with what I've got, but now I'm getting more organized and color coordinated and really, really getting to detail of how everything functions. Whereas once before I just put up with whatever I was faced with, but now I'm making choices and they're really hard. I'll show you if I've finished today.